Have you ever wondered if the future of human connection lies in lines of code? Today we're exploring a breakthrough in conversational AI that not only understands what you're saying, but also gets you. And for anyone who's new to the world of AI, we're making it simple, accessible, and tied to real-world impact. So stick around, because this episode is not just about technology. It's about how technology could be a game changer for those fighting life's toughest battles, like my granddaughter Abby. Today's episode is about ChatGPT, AI that gets you. Hello and welcome back to another episode of JC Speaks AI. I'm JC, your guide through this maze that is artificial intelligence. Today we're diving into a captivating article from Wired.com that shines a spotlight on ChatGPT, a conversational AI that's becoming a household name. I'll place a link to the article in the show notes, so be sure to check it out for an in-depth read. So, what is ChatGPT? Think of it as a chatbot on steroids. It's a tool developed by OpenAI and has the ability to generate human-like text. Its applications span across customer service, therapy, and even creative writing. And why should you care? Because it's shaping the future of AI in sectors that matter, like healthcare, making it not just fascinating, but essential. Now, chatbots have been around for quite a while, but ChatGPT brings in a whole new level of sophistication. It leverages machine learning algorithms to understand context and respond in ways that are more nuanced and empathetic, almost human-like. I have said this many times. And while it is not new, it applies here more than ever. With great power comes great responsibility. The article brings up important concerns around data privacy. Just like any tool, the effectiveness of ChatGPT relies heavily on the ethical practices of those who deploy it. As the technology continues to evolve, so does the need for safeguarding our data and privacy. Now, let's get real for a moment. Conversational AI like ChatGPT is breaking barriers. It can facilitate medical diagnosis, help with mental health, and even engage in tutoring. With my granddaughter Abby fighting her health battles, technologies like this offer a glimpse of hope and tangible real-world impact. If you're new to AI, consider this your crash course. ChatGPT works on a machine learning model that has been trained on a large dataset. In simple terms, it learns from previous conversations to make the next ones better. You don't need to be a Python wizard to understand its significance. You just need to recognize its transformative potential. Well, that's a wrap for today. We've covered the key takeaways from this insightful Wired article, and hopefully offered you a window into the incredible world of conversational AI. There's much more to explore, so stay tuned for upcoming episodes that will delve deeper into AI's cutting-edge advancements. Thank you for tuning in to JC Speaks AI. Remember, the exploration of AI is not just a technological journey, but also a testament to human endeavor in the face of adversity. If you found this episode insightful and want to back the mission behind JC Speaks AI, you have a couple of ways to contribute. First, if you enjoyed my voice style, I'm available for hire on Fiverr. Just visit fiverr.com/JCSpeaks to find my voiceover gig. Alternatively, you can support our show directly by buying me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/JCSpeaksAI. Every bit of support goes a long way, not only in creating impactful content, but also in helping with Abby's high medical costs. Check the link in the show notes to find out how you can make a difference. Thank you for listening, and be blessed.